A family's fight with its title insurance company has lasted since Lake Delton drained when a breach in the dam literally emptied the lake. That happened 7 years ago tomorrow.
Well, part of Sauk County Highway A failed, leading to a second drainage channel from Lake Delton to the Wisconsin River. 3 homes washed away then, and 2 others had some major foundation damage. It ended up costing more than $6 million to restore the lake. But as News 3 investigative reporter Adam Schrager shows us, the Wilcox family continues to suffer the effects of the dam's breach. Adam?
Eric and Michelle, Rick and Susan Wilcox are known for the magic theater they run in the Dells. You've probably seen their billboards on highways around the state. They built their dream home on Lake Delton, and now Congress may be getting involved to save it.
This is where we live. This is where our family is.
Rick and Susan Wilcox have the kind of view you pine for in Wisconsin.
This was our nest egg.
They worked for years to save enough at their magic theater in the Dells to buy 7 acres along Lake Delton and build their dream home.
Oh my God.
And then the Lake Delton Dam breached on June 9th, 2008. 2 months later, they were told by Lake Delton village leaders the dam ran right through their property. 86 of their pine trees were cut down as they heard their land was not really their land after all.
No idea that somebody could tell us we didn't own our home and our property.
We were shocked.
Why would we close on it then?
We would have never bought it.
Yeah, makes no sense.
Like all Wisconsin homeowners, they were required to buy title insurance at closing to protect against any defects or claims to their property.
This is like the worst title defect of all. When somebody said you don't own your land and you never owned it.
They checked their policy with First American Title Insurance and asked for help.
And so we called our title company, and they denied it. They denied. Said, you're not covered. You're not covered. What? What do you mean we're not covered? That's why we have title insurance. Come on.
They've been fighting and beating First American in court since. Still, they have no resolution.
This is our home. This is everything.
And they have no knowledge whether the DNR or Village of Lake Delton will take their property.
You know, this is kind of the worst of the worst behavior when it comes to consumer issues.
Congressman Mark Pocan got involved after learning about the Wilcox's problem. He called the First American CEO, and after that conversation, came away with this position.
Yeah, I think what this kind of highlights for someone like me is, you know, where do we perhaps need to have either regulatory or legislative changes to make sure that no other family like the Wilcoxes have to go through something like this, a nightmare literally on their biggest investment in their life.
You're supposed to be able to come home and be in peace and have rest and relaxation and fun and memories and family. And for 7 years, our heads have been spinning trying to protect all that.
There is no magic wand to make all of this go away for the Wilcoxes. It is not an illusion.
$1 billion company, and we're a family of 4.
That family of 4, though, discovered First American filed its own claim with its insurance company, saying it, quote, may have liability in this case.
Once they had judgments against them, saying that they should have protected us, you know what they did? They hired more lawyers to fight us.
Almost 7 years on, giving up may not be an option for the Wilcoxes, either emotionally or practically.
We don't even know if we can sell it.
We don't even know if we own it.
It's shocking.
We asked First American for an interview and then provided specific questions to First American's corporate office in California, and all we received was the following statement from spokesman Marcus Ginnity, who wrote, though it is our policy not to comment on pending litigation, we look forward to our opportunity to defend our rights through the Wisconsin legal system. That same legal system has already issued 3 separate judgments against First American in October. The Wilcoxes go back to court in Sauk County, where First American will defend itself against a charge, Eric, of acting in bad faith.
Pretty unbelievable. A fight we'll continue to monitor and see where this goes.
It's an amazing thing.
And it's hard to believe it's been 7 years.
Yeah, and we all have to buy that. That's, you know, that's the thing for all of us here.
All right. Adam Schrager reporting. Adam, thanks for being here tonight.
Thank you.